Do you know that there's a magical number in mathematics that has fascinated mathematicians for decades? It's called Kaprekar's constant and it's 6174. Today, I'm going to show you how this number works and why it is so special. It was given by Dr. Kaprekar in 1949. So, how does it work? See here. Uh, Take any four digit number where the digits aren't all the same. It means the digits can be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, 6, 8, 9, or it can be 5, 5, 8, 9. But it shalln't be like 5, 5, 5, 5. It shalln't be like this. So arrange the digits in descending order and then in ascending order. Subtract the smaller from the larger one and this process repeats. So guess what? You will always end up with 6174 in at most 7 steps. Now let's see with an example. Say the example is, let's take the number 2023. Okay, what is the first step? First step is arrange in descending order. So it will be written as 3220. Now again arrange in ascending order. So if you arrange in ascending order, it will be 0223. Subtract this. So this will become 7, 9, 9 and 2. Again second step. Now this process shall continue. So 2997. Again arrange in ascending order. So 9972. Again arrange in descending order. So descending order will be 2799. Subtract. Now this will be 7173. Again third arrange in ascending order 7731. Then arrange in descending order 1377. Subtract. We get 6354. Again repeat for the fourth consecutive time. If I arrange in ascending order, it becomes 6543. Again in descending order, it becomes 3456. If I subtract, again this becomes 3087. So for the fourth time, the answer is not raised, but we have to continue. For the fifth time, this becomes 8730 and this becomes 0378. So if I subtract, so what value shall be there? The value is 8352. Again if I go for the sixth step, see 8352, how do we arrange it? Arrange in ascending order first. So it becomes 8532 and then in descending order. So this becomes 2358. Subtract. This becomes 6174 and that is the number. How many steps did we reach? 6. What I have written, you will always end up with 6174 in at most 7 steps. Here we reached it in 6 steps. Now again let's see another one. So we are running in the year say 2025. So let's create the number whether it works for 2025 or not. So arrange in ascending order. So 2025 will be 5220. Then arrange in descending order 0225. Subtract it. The value says 4995. Second, arrange this value in ascending order 9954. Arrange in descending order. Then subtract the value again. This becomes 5355. Then next again we do the repeat the process. So 5553. Again if I arrange in as descending order 3555. Subtract. The value becomes 1998. So again repeat the process, it becomes 9981. Then arrange in descending order 1899. If I subtract, this becomes 2808. Then repeat the process again. This is 8820 in ascending order. This becomes 0288 in descending order. Subtract the value again. This becomes 2358. That is 8532. Again repeat the process. So this is 8532 already arranged. Then 2358 in descending order. Subtract, the result becomes 6174. So finally we have reached to the conclusion. Again, this is the magic number that all 4-digit numbers with non-repeating digits eventually coverage. to when you follow Kaprekar's routine.